Kathy, Lawrence. Together, you make one another stronger, better. We are inspired, we are impassioned, we are overjoyed to be a part of your declaration of marriage. I've never seen the moon without the sun. I have never seen flowers without rain, or pause without reflection. With every heartbeat, with every pulse, we are alive. And more so when we are blessed to have discovered the miracle of unconditional love.
Once in an ordinary life, a fairy tale happens. Something extraordinary. You are my extraordinary. First we were friends, then we became better friends, and then the magic happened. Because of you, our romance had its start.
I promise to protect you, to care for you, to be there for you every waking moment. I will always love you, cherish you, and endure life with you. I promise to laugh with you, to cry with you, and to rejoice with you.
You are truly a man of the highest integrity. You are the most caring, the most kind, the most generous, the most loving, the cutest, the most thoughtful, and still the sweetest guy I know.
Kathy, you are my bestie, my soulmate, my lover. You are beyond gorgeous, and you make me whole. I love you back. My eternal love and devotion is endless, absolute, pure perfection.
I do love you tons, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. You are truly my heart.
By the authority vested in me by the state of California, I pronounce this couple to be united in marriage. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence and Kathleen Susan Ann Novich. Mazel tov, you may kiss the bride.
All the plans we made will take their shape, and it's us together.
I loved you as Larry, the exceptional athlete, the I'll get it done now kid, and the handsome jokester. I love that you've grown into the thoughtful, helpful, exceptional Lawrence. a toast to you, Lawrence, and to the love of your life, Kathy. May the joy that you find in each other and the happiness that you bring to each other multiply over the years.
Even in the worst times, you're still mine.
The best chapters yet to come for you guys. So we love you both very much, and we wish you a lifetime of happiness, and we're so glad, or I'm so glad, and on behalf of my girls, that you found each other. So we love you very much.
I love you with all my heart. And to see you this happy and to find your mate, I wish you the best of this next journey of your life together. All three of my boys feel the same. I'm so proud that we are all family, and you know what we cherish and love, and continue it on. I love you both. Enjoy the evening, everybody.
Princess, my sweet, sweet princess, I love you always and forever.